So this is just about $800, 800 US dollars, and you can check on yourself every day, blood pressure. Oh, yeah. So my temperature is 36.4. It's saying it's normal. So look at this robot. This is a robot for transporting medicine. This is UV air photocatalytic disinfecting. UV air photocatalytic disinfection robots. This is for blood testing. So these are all medical products. Medical service robot for rural areas for transporting. So you can see this. Yeah. Hello, lovely people. Today is the third day of the Canton Fair 2025, and today we are in the Robotics Hall to show you all the modern robots technology they have in this hall. So come along with us and let's explore the modern AI technology made in China. We have a lot of people here, a lot of people already exhibiting the products. Yeah, so we have Chinese here. Cool. Which country are you from? China, Guangzhou. So we want to see them.
Become your friend.
Yeah. So we are coming to show them the modern technology in China.
Yes.
Right, yeah. So how about Chinese technology? What do you think about China products?
We can help you sourcing the many goods, many products.
Yeah.
Also we have the logistics company, cargo.
Shipping
shipping
logistics
company.
So which country do you ship to?
From China to every country. Major country is Africa and South America.
Wow. Then put your number. Tell them your number so that they can contact you.
Yes. Container by air and by sea.
Okay. So tell us your number. 你的号码，他们想联系你的话，
可以。
你有名片什么的。
对，我给你我的名片。
好，给他们。So if you want to contact them for shipping, I'll put their number in the description. If you want shipping logistics from China to any country, they will help you. How that? What is the company's name? Jia Thai Freight Forwarding. That is it. How that?
Yes. Yeah, you can scan my WeChat or WhatsApp. Yeah.
Cool. Okay, thank you so much. So yeah, that is it. So you can see we are come to show you special product. We are in one hall, and this hall they make modern AI technology for hospitals. I am a pharmacist by profession, and when I see products like this, I really become so happy. So look at this robot. This is a robot for transporting medicine. This is UV air photocatalytic disinfecting. UV air photocatalytic disinfection robots. This is for blood testing. So these are all medical products. Medical service robot for rural areas for transporting. So you can see this. Yeah. Okay. So we have other products as well. This is for health check, AI internet hospital. What is this mainly for? What is this used for? This one? Oh, healthcare. 它的作用是什么？这个。So for medical inspection. Oh, health check. So 这个自用，自动，不需要医生，不需要什么的。
Check it by yourself.
By yourself. Oh, cool. Interesting. So meaning you don't need a doctor to check to use this.
Yeah, you can use it by your own.
Oh, cool. Can I try?
Yeah.
So guys, we are coming to try this AI technology. You don't need a doctor or pharmacist to check this. So let's try this out and see how it is. This is what?
ECG.
Oh, ECG. Okay.
Oh, you need to like this.
Okay.
You need to like this.
Okay. Get ready. Oh, for testing.
You
Yeah. Okay. I hold it like this
Yeah.
with my right hand.
Put it for a long time. 尿酸可以测尿糖。It's your heart rate.
Oh.
And you need to wait for 30 seconds and it will generate a report about your health.
Cool. And how much is this machine in RMB or USD?
Yeah.
Oh. Why is it taking long?
Yeah. 我这边测好了，它是连接不同色。
然后打开你们的这个分结果
To make sure it's accurate.
Yeah.
那你这个配件它
Where's your factory located in China?
Hangzhou.
Hangzhou. Oh.
浙江杭州。
Hangzhou. Wow, 还没好。我也是贸易公司介绍你们的产品。
Wow. Thank you. Maybe you can check
Another device?
temperature.
Okay, this is what? Thermometer. Oh. Okay, let me try that. 验肠保重。Okay. 放哪里？哦，here。
对，现在给的展柜。
他说 not connected, ECG connected。你看，没有。
You need to wait for a second.
现在做好了。
Yeah, 测好了，但是你要等一下。
Oh.
小数量的代理。
So guys, you can see I'm enjoying this technology. AI has come to make life easy and so simple. With this, you don't need to go to a hospital, you don't need a doctor, you can do self-check every day. We always take our cars for repairs, but we don't check on ourselves. This AI has come to make things so easy and so simple, and I'm loving it. You show Dosha, remember, Meijin Dosha. 这是人民币。
这是人民币，这是人民币，这是美金，这是欧元。
So this is just about $800, $800 US, and you can check on yourself every day, blood pressure. Oh, yeah. So my temperature is 36.4. It's saying it's normal.
Yeah, you can generate a report.
Okay.
You can have this robot. You can change to your own
Details,
information.
yeah.
Yeah, and this takes data.
Yeah.
And it also will give you some suggestion
Yeah.
about your health.
Okay.
And you can consult a doctor if you have any other problem.
So where will be the doctor?
AI doctor.
Any doctor?
AI.
AI doctor.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Consult a doctor.
You can say to him, say 小宝小宝 and start asking questions.
Wow.
Like this. 小宝小宝 what's the weather today?
Wow. So to give everything.
Yeah.
Wow. This is so cool. So guys, what else can we check? So many things. So health check, you can check your temperature, blood oxygen, ECG, blood pressure, blood glucose. So many things. Wow, interesting. So guys, this is so amazing. This is only $800 US, and you can be checking yourself every day. I'm really impressed and amazed with this technology. After checking, what you need is you have to just check on yourself. AI doctor is there. So doctors, the day AI is coming to replace you. I'm sorry. Wow, this is so cool. Let me check other devices. What other ones do you have?
My WeChat.
Yo, chitada man. Oh, just chitada. Jerry the wish. So, he's sour.